Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Haute Modesty. Welcome to our Wednesday weekly Quickie Modest Beauty Get Ready With Me. Featuring today will be Pat McGrath in her Divine Rose series. So I will be using whatever I have Pat McGrath to get the look that you see. So if you're interested, please stay tuned. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers, welcome back. Today, what I want to do is I want to use some Pat McGrath products for the Get Ready With Me and a weekly Quickie Modest Beauty. And so I want to go ahead and share with you what I will be using, and then we will, as usual, go into the music and just really quick get ready with me so you guys can get out the door. Okay, so the first product I'll be using is the new quad by Pat McGrath. They call it Eternal Eden, okay? And this is a beautiful quad of very pinky colors. Here it is. Yeah, I just want to show you the mirror, the reflection. So, okay, that's it right there. And I'll be using this. And I'm going to try to stick with Pat McGrath stuff as much as possible. Okay, and I will also be using her highlighter. And this is really beautiful. Here it is. I had a chance to use it just once, but I'm really looking forward to using it often. And as far as my foundation, I will go with Pat McGrath because I have Pat McGrath. Whatever I have with Pat McGrath, I will go ahead and use. And the lips, I will line it with this lip crayon, which is called Suburbia. And here it is. And it's this nice color. Let me show you. Okay, there we go. You'll see it on. But just to show you, and then this came with the collection, and so did this lipstick here. And this is very beautiful, neutral, nudie, neutral color. It is matte. And let me tell you what this color is called. And this color is called Divine Rose. Why do I keep forgetting that? It's a Divine Rose collection, Alex. So, okay. So that's that. And what I don't have is I don't have a blush by her. And so I'm going to go ahead and use my Clé de Peau. This is the closest I come to like the rose color, you know, the Divine Rose. And so this is my Clé de Peau shimmery Sakura blush. Sakura meaning cherry blossom. So it actually goes with it, right? So that's that. Okay, guys, so, I've already prepped my eyebrows, as you can tell, and I use my usual, which is the Anastasia Beverly Hill Medium Ash, and this is the Brow Wiz. And also for my primer, as you notice, it's not pale white, which means I'm not using Anastasia, but I am using Viseart, okay? And so, now, let's get it started.
Talk to me